I'm Dr. Robert True in Colleyville, Texas. Today we're going to talk about fat transfer and CO2 laser resurfacing. We have an 86-year-old patient who desires to have some sort of facial rejuvenation performed. She does not want surgery or a facelift or a neck lift. She wants something done minimally invasive. So here's what can be done in the office in 2 hours. First of all, let's talk about some of the problems that happen on the face as it gets older. Loss of volume occurs. We can replace that volume with fat transfer. Aging decreases volume in the brow area, in the temple area. We call this a sunkenness of the temple area. Also, there's a sunkenness of the submalar area. Many people get this and it makes them look aged. There's decrease in volume in the malar area and in the cheek area. Correcting these with fat transfer replaces that fat that has been lost. One of the other areas that are a problem, especially in this patient, is her depressed scar. She had trauma in the past and desired to have this area replenished with fat to pull the scar out and make it look smooth again as she did when she was younger. As we age, the loss of volume in the submalar areas allows the skin to fall down, and so the nasolabial fold becomes quite prominent. Replenishing these areas can decrease this quite significantly. In addition, aging does result in loss of volume in the corners of the mouth, or what we call the commissures. We can replace volume here and in the small dent in the chin areas called the prejowl sulcus. These can be helped quite significantly with the transfer. Now, in addition to fat transfer on the same visit, we can do something called the CO2 laser resurfacing. This is a procedure that treats scattered pigmentations throughout the face. It can reduce the fine lines and wrinkles on an aging face and makes irregularities are taken care of quite significantly with the CO2. Other things that the laser can do is treat scars. The visibility of the scar will be reduced. This also is helpful for acne scars too. The deep wrinkles on the lips that are quite prevalent in many people as they get older can be reduced significantly. And generally speaking, the CO2 laser stimulates collagen formation in all areas of the face to give it a better. Let's talk about these procedures and these problems a little bit further. Explain exactly how this procedure works. Well, first of all, before the fat transfer, notice the loss of volume and the sunkenness of these areas, the cheek areas, the submalar areas, and the malar areas. The malar areas causes a dent on the side of her face that is aged looking. With the fat transfer, we can correct this loss of volume in these sunken areas. We also call this a fat balancing technique because we can insert the fat in the face that results in a more youthful balance of the texture and the fullness of her face. Loss of volume produces many other things. We discussed the submalar area, but also we can correct defects on the face, such as the scar area and the cheek, which sometimes is sunken in people as they get older. The submalar areas, as you can see, are full and more youthful looking. The depression is filled and not noticeable. Aging does result in some change in color of the facial skin. The skin is called sallow in appearance, with wrinkles present, fine lines, and irregularities that can make a person look older. After the procedure, skin texture is fuller, it's brighter, the fine lines and wrinkles have been smoothed out, and we have a nice smooth appearance of the skin. As we age, skin produces irregular pigmentations present all over the pale skin, which is quite noticeable as we get older. Correction of this can be performed with the CO2 laser resurfacing. The pigmentations are minimal now. The skin has a brighter, more youthful shine to it. And as you can see, the results are quite significant. The patient feels better about herself. She feels good. She feels vibrant. She feels like she has regained her youth. She's lost maybe 20 years of appearance of her face. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dr. Robert True. I'm in Colleyville, Texas. Come and visit us if you have these concerns or any other concerns about your health or appearance.